Hey, my name is Sam, aka Mr. 2 Pairs Minimum, and today we're going to take a quick look at the Jordan 4 by Jordan Brand in the Thunder colorway. It comes in a yellow and black Flight Jordan box with a glossy black splatter print. The shoes come wrapped in white and grey splatter paper with no extra accessories. Yellow laces would have been nice, but we're not here for the box, so let's get right into the shoes. This is the third retro of the popular Jordan 4 Thunder. Originally a super limited online release, along with the Lightning colorway back in August 2006. 6 years later, in 2012, saw its second retro, and now it's back in mid-May 2023. It features a black and synthetic nubuck design with tall yellow hits across its upper, mid and outsole. White Jumpman branding can be seen on its heel and tongue. The £190 retail price is high, but at least the quality control has improved with recent Jordan 4 releases. It's a striking, pun intended, and well sought after colorway. I went up half a size in these, and I recommend you do the same due to Jordan 4's fitting a little tight. I think these are nice but a little bit too loud for my taste, but it's nice to see these back after 10 plus years. As usual, purchase links will be in my YouTube description. While you're there, hit the like and subscribe button and comment Lightning to show me you enjoyed this video. Now let's discuss, did you pick these up, did you miss out, or did you pass? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Apart from that, have a good day.